like your bike.
Some people just don't handle rejection well. Watch what happened to these
I
bikers.
appreciate that, yeah.
You're welcome. You ride through here often?
Yeah, I'm a local actually.
Me too.
Really? That's what's up?
Yeah. I guess that means the next time I bump into you, you're kind of obligated to give me a ride.
I don't know, actually.
Why, do you have like a girlfriend or something?
No, it's not really that. It's just, you know.
It's just, what, am I not hot enough for you?
No, but I wouldn't necessarily say you're like my taste.
I'm not your taste?
Yeah, like, I'm not really looking for anything.
If that's the case, taste this, you fucking asshole.
What the? Yo.
What?
Do I fuck?
Get a real bike, you fucking loser.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing, bro? My gas tank. Are you fucking serious, bro? Oh my gosh. Bro, I swear.
This biker got rear-ended hard while waiting in traffic. This video raises a question: if lane splitting is safer than waiting in traffic. What do you think?
You alright?
Yeah.
Alright, just sit down and chill for a minute, okay? Your neck okay? Alright. How you feeling?
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Should I call 911? Okay, thank you. I'm so sorry. Do you need me to call 911? Take your helmet off, I think.
Okay. Yeah.
What's exit?
Think twice before wearing a tinted visor at night. Luckily, this biker wasn't seriously injured.
This is the spot where he wrecked, right there on that. We're out here to see how far he actually rolled. Guys, we have a distance calculator, so I just set the first point right here because we're standing next to this curve that I hit. The ambulance was right here at the end of this. We found the keys right here, slid all that way, guys. 100 meters.
The answer is 328.0.
Riding with one hand on the handlebars over an uneven road can easily destabilize the bike. The front end becomes more sensitive to small bumps and movements, which can trigger a dangerous tank slapper. To avoid hitting the car ahead, this biker braked hard, causing the front tire to lock and the bike to slide down.
Look what you're doing! No, I'm not! Have my car what you did! My bike, bro! Yeah, would you be able to help me? How is it, guys? Bro, look what you're doing! You're gonna pay me now. I don't care if you want to do insurance or cash.
Let me just real quick, I need to go to work. My bad, isn't it?
No, I understand you need to go to work, but right now that isn't my problem. Respectfully, you're gonna pay me everything you need to pay me.
Do you think it will be enough for 6 hours? That's not much on that.
I don't care how much, bro. I'm gonna tell you how much is enough.
No, that's not bad. I'm not gonna take this guy's money for no reason. I'm only gonna take what he needs to pay me. Look at this, bro.
I would settle for you on 350. No, I know I maybe came off as like very rude and easy, but it's just, you know, we're on two wheels, right?
What, you do social media?
I am gonna post it. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna post everything.
Sorry, I'm not trying to get you in trouble. I will post for entertainment purposes. My bike is like, theoretically, I can post what I want, but I won't because you're asking for it and I don't want you to get in trouble.
But easy, no worries, bye-bye.
Life just keeps getting more and more interesting, huh?
You're right, yeah? All good, all good. I saw what's happening. It wasn't fast, right? No.
Ah.
Are you from Italy?
Yeah.
You famous guy?
Well, famous, not really. Okay, but my bike isn't broken, luckily.
Alright guys, first time riding the S1K.
The first ride on his BMW didn't go as planned. Luckily, the biker wasn't injured and stayed calm after realizing the driver was an older man.
Call Jaden.
The rear tire locked up while going 250 kilometers per hour. What do you think, guys? What caused it? True bikers never turn down a chance to help. In this clip, an older lady was struggling with her oil cap, and this biker was more than happy to lend a hand.
I got you. Give me 1 second. No, it's okay, I got it. Do you know how low you are? Yeah, a little bit. I got you. Thank you. No problem. That should do it.
And buy you a drink or something.
No, it's okay, man. I don't want your money, miss. No, it's okay. I'm just here to help out, you know?
Thank you so much.
No problem. I hope I can help out a little bit, you know?
Yeah, you really did. Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Aferin, çok güzel. Abi sinyal versene ya.
Sinyal yaptım işte.
Ya nerede sinyal verdin Allah aşkına, yanmıyor bile ya. Sinyal vermiyorsun. Kamera kaydını açayım bak istersen.
This biker tried to squeeze past the car on the right, but the driver wasn't checking the mirrors. In this case, who do you think is to blame? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments below.
İyi misin?
Allah kurban olayım, ne yapıyorsun? Aynen gözükmüyor muyum
Ama
ben
ben
ya?
çarpmadım ki sana. Sen bana çarptın. Neyse sen bana çarptın. Ne?
Allah, ben dümdüz gidiyorum. Aynadan hadi sinyal verin de insan bir aynaya bakar, kurban olayım.
Ambulans aramamı ister misin?
Yok abi, sağ olasın.
Arayalım sonra tutalım. Sonra gerekli neyse onu yapalım.
Sende bir şey var mı abi arabanda?
Aynen mi benim de?
Tamam abi.
Sen bak motoruna.
Şurası gitmiş, şurası gitmiş.
Ehliyetin var mı?
Ehliyetim var abla.
Kaç yaşındasın?
18, tam 18.
Ehliyetinle görebilir miyim?
Göstereyim abla. Maalesef böyle numuneler olduğu sürece kaza yapmaya devam edeceğiz.
Good morning. Would you like some help trying to push your car out?
I guess so. My husband's on his way. He should be here soon.
Okay, maybe he'll help me, or I'll help him more or less.
Okay.
You think it'll be just a few minutes?
Yeah, because I just called him about 20 minutes ago.
Okay. Well, if he doesn't find help, I bet when this light turns red, I'll be able to get some people.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem. Hey, my dude, you want to help me push this car?
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Yeah, I appreciate you guys.
The driver picked the worst possible moment to cut off this biker. Take a look. This biker misjudged the space while filtering and clipped the mirror, but instead of riding off, he stopped and exchanged details with the driver.
Arkamızdaydı ha bu arada. Durdu arabadan indi. Durdu arabadan indi. Plakamı aldı ama. Benim plakamı aldı.
A reckless driver swerved all over the road, endangering everyone, and eventually caused a serious accident.
Ахуеть.
And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe!